How to transfer data from PC to Steam Deck. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly transfer files from your PC to your Steam Deck using two easy methods: a USB drive and a wireless tool called Warpinator. Whether it's games, mods, or media files, this will help you move them smoothly. Let's get started. Method 1. USB drive or external SSD. Step by step. Plug in your USB drive to your PC. Format it as exFAT so the Steam Deck can read it. Copy the files you want to transfer. Plug the USB into your Steam Deck using a USB-C adapter or hub. Switch to desktop mode on your Steam Deck. Press and hold the power button and then select Switch to desktop. Open the file manager and access your USB. Drag and drop the files where you want them. Method 2. Warpinator. Wireless. Step by step. On your Steam Deck, switch to desktop mode. Open the Discovery Store and search for Warpinator. Install it and launch the app. On your Windows PC, download the Warpinator. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the apps on both devices, they should detect each other. Select the files on your PC and send them to your Steam Deck. Accept the transfer and you're done. And that's it. You've just learned the two quick and easy ways to transfer files from your PC to your Steam Deck. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.